Dale and Leanna here from Moments of Adventure. Thank you for watching this video, and this time we are going to Sedona, Arizona, which we have never been to before, but hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up on this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.
We are actually staying at a town south of Sedona called Camp Verde, and it's Camp Verde RV Resort and Cottages.
I like the campground. The camping spots are spaced out nicely. They do have some spots that are shaded, which would be very nice. There was not a tree around where we were, but we were very close to the pool. The pool is fabulous. It's big. It was not super cold. It was the perfect temperature. No shock value whatsoever. It was very relaxing, nice temperature for the pool.
Yeah, I wouldn't even use cold in the description of it. I mean, it wasn't bath water, but it was, you walk right in, and it was like you said, no shock value whatsoever. I mean, it was
They
great.
did also have a hot tub, which was lovely in the evening. The only problem with the hot tub is, well, and the pool, they both close at 8 o'clock. So the sun's not even really fully down in May at 8 o'clock.
Before they kick you out.
Before they kick you out. I mean, even giving you like till 9 or 10 o'clock would be perfect. Because there were some nights where we were out exploring and would have loved to have come back and jumped in the hot tub, and it was already closed.
Yeah.
So that, I guess, is the one thing I would change.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you're staying there, the best breakfast burrito is at Gabriella's in Camp Verde. We did speak to someone, and they said that they have tested the taco salads around, and Gabriella's also has the best taco salad around. We did not get to partake in that, but the breakfast burritos, super good.
All right, Sedona. We just got back from a short little visit to Sedona with the dogs. But what I did see is I do like Sedona so far. Very clean, very nice. Everybody was pleasant.
Even with the dogs, they were
Even with the
pleasant.
dogs, yes, they were.
Oh, yay! Thank you very much.
Coffee smells good.
It does smell good. She said it is good. Local brand. I thought it was interesting. I thought that it's like any little touristy, kitschy town. I thought it was funny because the thing they had the most of, besides crystals, which I expected, were these round candles that they dip in front of you. And
So
I mean, the
it's a
candles are
homemade-
very cool.
Homemade candle store.
Yeah, but it's kind of like because fudge is homemade, but it's like the fudge factory of Sedona is candle making.
Yeah. Candles and crystals.
Candles and crystals.
Those are crystals for the crystal vortexes.
I know. Should I go buy a crystal? I don't know what to do with it. The views in Sedona are absolutely beautiful. Different than Utah, which reminds me similar-ish, the red rocks and the rock formations and such. Very pretty though.
Maybe we'll see a few vortexes, whatever those are.
I don't even know what a vortex is, but I'm excited to go check it out.
We watched a few videos on it, but we still don't quite understand. So
Yeah.
we'll see if it changes our life for the better or worse.
From what I understand with the vortexes, they're just basically a peaceful spot in nature that you can go and center yourself. I don't understand the difference between a vortex area and just like a nice place in nature, but we'll see. I met a guy at Fuzzy's Tacos, of all places, that had been to the Sedona area, and I think he was a spiritual healer, and he said to get a bunch of crystals and go to the vortex. I don't know a whole lot about crystals. I don't know what you're supposed to do with crystals or how you choose a crystal.
I wonder if he worked for the gift shop that was selling the crystals.
It's
Because
possible.
where else do you get crystals? You have to mine for crystals and then
No,
go
they
to
have
the
crystals
vortex?
at like
The truck stop.
stores, but different crystals are supposed to mean different things. I don't know anything about that. I don't know. I haven't gotten into the whole crystal mystical stuff.
Yeah. All right, we are getting ready to hike the Bellrock Vortex Trail, the Bellrock Loop.
Let's do it.
I love your lips.
What is it?
They're white.
Did you put sunscreen on them?
That's awesome.
It's well, let me see what I put on. Yes, it's Burt's Bees 15 SPF.
Should be good.
Can I use them? I'll be white lipped.
You'll be white.
Here we go.
I liked it. That part was hard.
In Crocs.
To be honest, my Crocs had some grip to them.
So we hope to see Jerome, Arizona as well, which is my understanding, kind of a smaller ghost town type thing. It's built on the side of a hill. So that should be interesting.
We are in Jerome, Arizona, which is an old ghost town. Very historical, kind of tourist trap. We've been to Hauntedhamburger, and very good.
We are in Hauntedhamburgers. What did you find out about the history of Hauntedhamburgers?
So I want to say it was a brothel, but it wasn't a brothel. It used to be a boarding house for copper workers. And when the mill was going on, and then so the gross part is that they would have like shared beds. So one bed would be used 3 different times a day by different shift workers at the mine. So those sheets were probably nasty as crap. Anyway, so first it was a boarding house, then a family bought it, and they had 3 or 4 generations that each lived on the floor. The older generations passed, they sold it. Anyway, supposedly it's haunted. When they were redoing it, tools went missing, moved around, things are seen in mirrors, people get touched. We're outside, so I think we're safe. But it's got a pretty cool vibe. I like it. We'll see how the burgers are.
There's a lot of good choices here.
I got the prickly sour, so it's got bourbon in it and prickly pear juice.
Nice. I got the Moscow Mule.
Chili cheeseburger.
And the Haunted Hamburger. Yum. It's on the side of a mountain. It's all facing, what, east I think it is.
It's all facing downhill,
Yeah.
and looks like it could fall over at any moment.
I think some buildings have fallen over. What'd you pick up?
I got toffee. I love good toffee.
I got it.
Grazie. It's butter pecan.
I'm 22.
Very old buildings.
I don't think.
What I'm interested in are the hotels that are here. I think it would be really neat to spend the night in one of the hotels.
Bet it's haunted.
Absolutely. What do you think of Jerome?
I really like Jerome. It's very, well, it's touristy, but it's super cute. Super cute. It's good touristy. The thing I'm most looking forward to, besides the vortexes and figuring that out, is there is a natural water slide. Should be cool. Okay, Allie, where are we going?
Sliderockstatepark.
And we are so excited. It's like a natural water slide.
So much fun.
Let's do it.
Don't know what to expect.
A slide rock.
I think we slide down a rock with water. The guy said the water was about 50 some degrees.
Way to take one for the team.
Thank you.
You want your towel? Well, that. Slide down a little
Okay.
bit. Are you recording all that?
Yep.
Oh man. But thanks for coming along and joining us on this adventure.
Hey, we're trying to get to 100 subscribers, so if you like this, please like and subscribe and hit that bell. Appreciate it.
Arizona. Oh, there you go. That was good. Arizona.
Oh.
Check. Boom. That's good enough. There's Dry Beaver Creek.
That's sad.
There's a joke right there.
It's a damn good milk cart right there on the side of the road. They look purty.
I believe those are cottonwood trees.
They look purty.
Alright, start whenever y'all want to. Whenever we want to.
So how do we look?
We're so funny. Oh, I didn't turn it off.
Are you sure?
It's just a house. No one's going to care about a tourist cabin. I would fast forward right through it. Take a picture of my shirtless body.